This is a review of the Bootstrap Farmer 32 cell 5-pack with 2.5 inch tray inserts. And again, this is the 5-pack. There's 5 32 cell trays and 160 2.5 inch pots. And these particular pots are very good, heavy duty. And I have used these for 3 years already. And I anticipate being able to use them for many, many more years to come. The pots have drainage holes, so then that way you can, have water drain along with being able to bottom water. Same goes for these cell trays. Bottom holes are available for drainage along with bottom watering in a 10 by 20 tray. These are of very good heavy duty material, and I feel like I'm investing in my growing future because of the fact that these heavy duty products help steer me clear of single-use plastics, and so it makes me feel a little bit better knowing that I'm being able to reuse these year after year.